It's always good to practice the WHAM process. Who are we talking about here? Who's got the symptoms? What are those symptoms? How long have the symptoms been present? Any action that's already been taken for their symptoms? And finally, of course, very importantly, M, which includes both medicine, any medicines which might have an impact on treatments you give, and medical conditions that might affect your advice. You should ask your customer whether they have a dry or a productive cough. You may find it easier to use terms like tickly or bringing up sputum, bringing up phlegm, which customers might find easier to understand. Do they have any dietary requirements? For instance, do they need a sugar-free version or an alcohol-free version? And would they also like something specifically tailored to help them get a good night's sleep? Remember, self-pity doesn't help anyone.